I drooled a little.
I got it for you.
Thanks. What are sisters for? Hi guys, this is Kara and welcome to Life with Kara. Today I have my sister with me and we're gonna do something interesting. So usually I am like everybody's makeup artist, like I was her makeup artist for her wedding. Today we decided to see how good I can do blindfolded, trying to do her makeup. And I have everything laid out here and I have like multiples of everything, so who knows what I'm gonna pick. So before we start, click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Click that notification bell so you can know when I upload, and make sure you like this video and give me a comment.
Wait, do we need to fold it over?
Okay. I can't see anything. Okay. Wait, first I need to start with primer. That one's smaller. I think it's this one. Okay, there we go. Okay, where are you? Okay. This is hard already. I think I got everything. Wait, let me get a little bit on your eyelids. Okay. Okay. Now foundation. Let me find a brush. Which one? Okay, that feels like a foundation brush. This one feels bigger. I'm gonna go with this one. Is there powder in it already?
Not
or do I need to shake it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now is there?
Oh yes, a lot.
Sorry. Okay.
Oh.
Let me face. Okay. Close your eyes.
They are closed.
I feel like Tyler trying to do this.
My hair.
I got your hair. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did I get everything?
Yeah. Okay. Get some in my mouth. Oh my God. Just look at me. I'm covered in powder.
I can't see. I'm sorry. I'll let you close that so I don't get it on the carpet.
It's all over.
Next. Blush. This feels like, yeah, we have the same blush. This is blush. Which one is the blush brush? You feel small. No. Yes, this one's blush. Okay, I need to go like here. I know I have highlighter. That feels like highlighter. There we go. Okay. If I remember right, this one's the pink one. So I want to do one of these too. I don't remember which one's which though. One's white and one's like gold. Where are you? I don't remember which one I did last time. You might have two different color highlighters because I don't remember which one I did last time. Sorry, I went up your nose. Okay, there's your nose. Okay.
It's like we're playing pin the tail on the donkey.
I played that the other weekend. It was so bad. There's your chin. I think I got my finger highlighted. Do a little bit over the brows. Okay. Okay, now I gotta find your eyebrow. Yeah, I know that feeling. Now I gotta find a tiny brush. Are you tiny? Oh yeah, that's the one. Okay, and then that one's powder. That one's gel. Okay. This is where I begin to mess up. Okay, there's your eyebrow. Oh wait, I'm going the wrong way. I can't tell how much product I'm putting on your face. Okay, now I need a powder brush. Is that the one yeah, that's the one I just used. How short are you? No, that's not it. I have one for this. Hold on. I gotta find it. No. No. Am I picking up the same one over and over again?
No, you just skipped over the right one. You picked up every one around
What? Where is it? Am I near it? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. It was in there. I knew it was in there. Okay. I think I drooled a little.
I got it for you.
Thanks. What are sisters for?
Oh yeah. That feels good. Oh my gosh. Oh,
Okay, now we're gonna do eyeshadow. But I know naked, it's always the lighter ones are on this side and the darker ones are on this side. I don't remember the order and I don't even know which one I'm holding. Okay. I'm gonna just... I don't know where I went the last time. Where's your eye? Is this your eye?
No.
I just went in until I felt skin.
Yeah. Not close.
Am I even doing the same color?
No.
Okay. Am I on your eye? Is this your eye?
all over? Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now I gotta do the other one. They gotta match.
Okay.
You moved! You moved! Okay. Okay. And then I'm gonna try my hardest, but I'm gonna do like, you know, where it's darker on the outside in the crease. So I know there's dark colors over here, so I'm gonna just swatch something. Am I on it? Yeah. And then go through the crease. Is this the same color? Okay. And then I'm gonna just try to blend it out. Because I can't see. When in doubt, blend it out, you know? And then you need a light color for your brow. I know the light ones are over here. Okay. Like that. I think I went over your brow.
You've done that a couple times.
I'm sorry. I'm doing my best here, okay? Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot bronzer. Let me find. Yeah, that's big and round. That's my bronzer. Got it. Okay. Right here. Here. Okay. Over here. Like that. You just shape the face. Yeah. Okay. Okay, eyeliner. There's a pencil here somewhere. Yeah, I found it. Okay. That feels like skin.
Yeah.
Is it even working?
I think.
I can't feel anything. Okay. Did I get it?
Yeah.
You don't sound confident. Tube. That's it. And then I think I'm done. We don't have any lipsticks. Wait, hold on. They're over here. Okay, I don't know what this is. I did it! Okay, now we gotta set the look, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's one of these. No, that one's round. Okay, close your eyes. Ta-da! Okay. That's cute. I tried so hard. I poked your eye. I'm so sorry.
My eyebrows are my favorite.
It's like Brat's eyebrows up here.
That's bad.
You should make Justin try.
Yeah.
What do you think? Leave me a comment and let me know how you think I did. That's all for this video. Thank you to my sister for being in it. Go down below and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can know every time I upload. And please like, comment. I love to see comments. Let me know how I did. Let me know what you want me to do next. So yeah, that's it. Bye.